Our college expects us to give end semester examinations offline. They expect us to travel from wherever we are currently living or stuck.
Does Manipal not have the technological facilities to provide its students with a safe online platform to give exams?
We have been given very futile options. The first option tells us to come right now and give the exams and the labs and get us free by Jan. Second option tells us to give the exams right now in December and give the labs in June. Third option tells us to give both the labs and end semester exams in June.
I hereby request the college to give us an option to write online exams as well. As per the concerns raised by the students, there are some students who have underlying health issues, like some have asthma or other health problems, or some have transportation issues where they have to travel a lot.
The UGC in its guidelines clearly mentions that the students should be allowed to given an online and an offline option based on both the consent of the parents and the students. But our college hasn't given any online option for any student.
They can't even take the guarantee that they'll be able to control the situation because it's practically not feasible considering the amount of students coming back. Surely there's someone who's going to be contaminated with the virus, and the minute it starts spreading, there'll be no controlling it in Manipal.
If the students are being recalled for offline exams, then that means a conglomeration of around 5,000 to 6,000 students in the campus. They are recalling students from other faculties also, like commerce, and all the students of architecture who reside in the same campus, the same hostels, and social distancing and other norms are impossible to follow.
We live in hostels. We share the same water coolers. Our rooms are close by. They do not have enough accommodation to accommodate every person in a single room. So people would probably end up sharing rooms. On top of that, in a mess, all of us eat together.
It's extremely risky for the locals and the students if close to 8,000 students from all over the world come back to a small town like Manipal, even if it is in batches. The university has provided us with a very vague SOP, as there is no proper mention of how they are planning to operate their hostels and messes.